Welcome to the wild, whirring world of blenders, the unsung heroes of our kitchens. If you think a blender is just a glorified mixer, prepare to have your mind blended. From smoothies that can fuel your morning to soups that warm your soul, a quality blender can do it all. Join us as we dive into the frothy frenzy of the best blenders out there. Get ready to unleash your inner culinary wizard and blend your way to kitchen greatness, one twist of the dial at a time. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus, our pick for best budget blender. If you're ready to elevate your smoothie game, the Ninja blender is about to become your new best friend. Just hit the pre-programmed smoothie button and get ready for a thrilling ride. Think of it as a blender roller coaster. The little stop-go action builds up the suspense, but hold on to your hats because when it goes full throttle at a jaw-dropping 1400 watts, it morphs your fruits and goodies into thick, creamy concoctions reminiscent of a frothy milkshake. You'll love the smart pour spout that makes serving effortless, while the whimsical flap keeps your remaining smoothie nice and fresh. No waste here. Plus, with a sturdy, rubberized grip that runs the length of the jar, you can blend like a pro without fearing for your comfort. That turn-to-lock mechanism? It's like a safety belt for your blending adventures. No surprises. Cleaning? Easy peasy. Just mix warm water and a splash of soap, hit the highest setting, and let the Ninja do the dirty work. Just a friendly reminder, the stacked blade assembly can be a bit sneaky, so handle with care. Expect some noise when it's busy breaking down ice. Ninja makes some serious sound waves. Still, with its impressive 72-ounce capacity, 3 speed settings, and a recipe book to fuel your culinary creativity, you're not just getting a blender, you're signing up for a delicious journey in your kitchen. Get ready to blend, sip, and conquer. Number 4. Ninja BL610 Professional, our pick for best large blender. If you're on the hunt for a blender that's not just powerful, but also easy on the wallet, the Ninja is your knight in shiny kitchen armor. With a whopping 1000 watts of power, this full-size blender isn't just a pretty face. It's here to whip up delicious juices and smoothies that will keep you feeling like a health superhero. The extra-large 72-ounce pitcher is like your blender's superhero cape, great for hosting parties or meal prepping for a week of wholesome goodness. When it comes to blending frozen fruits or crushing ice, you need a champion. The Ninja's specially designed blades don't just chop. They annihilate ice like a boss, turning even the toughest frozen fruits and veggies into creamy perfection. And thanks to the manual function, you're in the driver's seat. Whether you're craving a chunky salsa or a smoothie so silky it could moonlight as a moisturizer. At 18 by 12 by 13 inches, it's got a presence on your countertop, but trust us, it's worth every square inch. With the Ninja, you're not just blending, you're embarking on a delicious culinary escapade. Get ready to elevate your drinks and meals, all while maintaining the budget of a savvy kitchen wizard. This isn't just a blender, it's your ticket to a tastier, healthier lifestyle. Still searching for the perfect blender? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Breville BSB510XL, our pick for best immersion blender. If you're on the hunt for an immersion blender that can do it all, Breville's control grip should be your kitchen's new best friend. This powerhouse doesn't just puree soups, it practically throws an invitation to mayo to emulsify in no time. And let's talk smoothies. This little marvel demolishes ice in just 40 seconds and blends chia seeds into a velvety mixture in a mere 2 minutes. You'll be sipping like a pro in no time. What truly elevates the control grip is its dazzling array of 15 speed settings. It's not just an immersion blender. It moonlights as a countertop blender, making it the Swiss Army knife of your culinary adventures. With its silicone base, you can plunge it into any pot or bowl without flinching at the thought of scratching your precious cookware. Included is a treasure trove of accessories. a 42-ounce blender jug, a 25-ounce chopping bowl, and a whisk attachment that'll have you whipping meringues and cream like a pastry chef in a flash. Sure, it's a bit of an investment, but consider it a budget-friendly solution for those of us who don't have a mansion-sized kitchen. Just a heads up, it can get a bit loud at top speeds, but that's just it putting on a show. If you want a versatile kitchen companion that delivers jaw-dropping results, the Control Grip is here to elevate your culinary game. Number 2. Ninja SS101 Foodi, our pick for best personal blender. If you're on the hunt for a personal blender that truly gets you, look no further. This clever little machine isn't just a one-button wonder. It boasts an array of presets that cater to all your blending whims. You won't just be making smoothies, you'll be creating masterpieces. Say hello to the Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup, complete with a built-in tamper to help whip up thick, creamy concoctions without drowning your ingredients in liquid. Whipping up a margarita? Get ready for a silky smooth experience where sugar blends seamlessly. No gritty surprises here. And if you've ever dreamed of making homemade peanut butter, you'll be thrilled to whip it up in under 3 minutes. Worried about stability? Fear not. The sturdy suction base keeps your blender firmly rooted to the counter while you let loose with the Pulse-style auto smoothie setting. Plus, you'll get 3 versatile jars, a 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker and 2 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids. Cleanup? A breeze? All are dishwasher safe. At just 6.5 pounds and compact at 7 by 7 by 11 inches, this little dynamo slips right into your kitchen without hogging space. Whether you're blending smoothies, crafting spreads, or snacking like a pro, this personal blender makes every day a delicious adventure. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Vitamix 5200, our pick for best blender overall. If you're ready to unleash your inner culinary wizard, the Vitamix 5200 is your new best friend in the kitchen. This powerhouse blender doesn't just conquer hard veggies and sticky ingredients, it transforms them into silky smooth masterpieces with the grace of a seasoned chef. Say goodbye to lumpy sauces and hello to velvety purees. Its robust motor is like having a personal assistant, ready and willing to tackle lengthy blending operations without breaking a sweat. Whether you're whipping up a batch of green smoothies for your daily dose of health or crafting hearty soups to impress your family, this blender has got your back. And let's talk about the design. The tall, tapered shape creates a vortex so effective that even the shyest ingredients get pulled into the blades. It's as simple as a tap and twist. No PhD in blenderology needed. Plus, with a thermal protection system and radial cooling fan, your Vitamix is in it for the long haul, ensuring it stays cool even when you're in full cooking mode. With a spacious 64-ounce capacity, it's perfect for those just one more serving moments. And at a compact size of 8.75 by 7.25 by 20.5 inches, it won't hog all the real estate on your countertop. So elevate your kitchen game and unlock a universe of culinary creativity, because the Vitamix 5200 isn't just a blender, it's your ticket to deliciousness. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best blenders. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which blender you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.